I'm Jennifer, and today I will be demonstrating how to make your own Pennyworth juice at home, also known as nước in Vietnamese. This drink is perfect for the summertime because it's very refreshing when served cold, and as a bonus, it provides you with many health benefits. Here's a picture of all the ingredients and utensils you will need in this video. So this is me, and I'll be placing my Pennyworth leaves into the blender carefully and gently because they're really delicate. If necessary, you can use a wooden spatula or a utensil like the one that I'm using to push down the leaves further down into the blender so that it will blend really well later. Then continue adding in the leaves until there's no more left in the bowl. So here's half a cup of sugar that I'll be placing in the blender. Here's 2 cups of water. I'm going to turn on the blending machine and gradually increase the speed using the speed buttons. I usually blend for about 2 minutes in total. Blender, and then you lift up the cap of the blender and put it to the side. You're going to pour in your well-blended Pennyworth juice into a fine mesh strainer. This will help to separate the foamy excess from the juice, which will give you a nice smooth texture when you drink it. When you're done, you can either discard the excess or you can leave it to the side along with your blender. Then you're gonna get an empty glass and fill it to the top with crushed ice from the freezer. And now you can begin pouring in your Pennyworth juice into your glass. Don't forget to top it off with a straw or a spoon. There you have it, your own Pennyworth juice made at home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my first video. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, comment, or subscribe for more future videos like this. Thank you!